Hi there, everyone.
Welcome to the Children of Asia Games Diaries. This is Aisen and Kunai.
Today, along with our friends, we'll be sharing the latest and the most thrilling updates about the Children of Asia Games.
At the Trimara Stadium, the best athletes were determined in 200 meters and 800-meter races, hurdles, high jump, and Yakut jump squad Istanga. Despite the hot weather, the athletes gave their all, even setting new records for Children of Asia Games. While Belarus was the clear leader in many events the previous day, on the second day of competition, an athlete from Urals gave them a serious challenge in the hurdles. Gleb Klipinin from Kazakhstan set a new record for the games with a result of 40 meters and 46 centimeters. In overall triathlon, Yakutians were unmatched, with Maxim Semenov and Mark Nikitin sharing the first and second places.
Over 3 days, 127 athletes from 9 countries and 6 regions of Russia tested the waters of the Chalbon pool. Competitions were held in distances ranging from 100 to 1,500 meters across 7 main styles. There were 27 teams and 4 heats. The swimming competitions concluded the friendship relay, where athletes from different national teams and regions were randomly assigned to teams. Among the boys, the tsunami team with swimmers from Belarus, Thailand, and Azerbaijan took first place. Among the girls, the champion team with representatives from the Siberian Federal District, Kazakhstan, and Thailand won first place. The medals won will count towards the overall medal tally for each national team whose representatives were part of the friendship relay teams.
Go is considered one of the most complex games on planet. Matches can last several days, with an average game taking about an hour. The team that scores the most points wins. The game was tough for the kids from Ural Federal District in the pair competition. In pair competition, teammates cannot communicate or discuss moves according to the rules. Everything relies on mental connection and the game sense. There is also a lot of post-game analysis. Athletes admit that intellectual games like checkers, chess, or Go have a common goal to defeat the opponent and completely dominate the playing field. Some use aggressive tactics, while others prefer a calm game with a soft capture.
The Children of Asia Games feature 2 dance programs, European and Latin American. On the dance floor are top pairs ready to showcase incredibly beautiful routines and refined skills. The biathlon discipline includes 10 dances, and athletes will compete for 4 sets of medals. Unprepared spectators might find it overwhelming. What do the judges look at? They manage to assess every pair. Unlike figure skating, there are no strict rules here. Judges score on a 10-point scale for rhythm, tempo, choreography, body bands, foot positioning, artistry, and even appearance.
At the Doksun Sport Complex, the first ever climbing competition in the history of Children of Asia Games began as a demonstration sport. The first stage started with qualifying climbs in the difficulty category. Young climbers showed incredible agility and endurance as they confidently tackled challenging routes. The climbing competition will continue for several more days. Participants will face new challenges ahead, bouldering and team relays. But one thing is already clear: these young climbers inspire with their determination, spirit, and drive to reach new heights.
Stay with us for some amazing content.
See you later and keep tuned.